If you just open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad, this will open the Photos library on your iPhone or iPad. Now, here you have to tap on Collections, and that will take you into the collections and folders of your iPhone's Photos library. Now, under Utilities, you should see the hidden folder of your iPhone or iPad where the hidden photos, videos, and pictures will be available. But what if you can't find the hidden folder album on your iPhone or iPad? How would you find them? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can find hidden album on your iPhone or iPad. Ideally, the hidden album of your Photos app should remain under Utilities inside the Photos collection. But if you can't find under Utilities, then that's because you haven't enabled the hidden album on your iPhone or iPad. And in order to enable that, first of all, go to Settings. And once you are in Settings, scroll all the way down and there you will find Apps. Tap on that and then you have to scroll until you find Photos. You have to go to P section where you will find the Photos app. Now tap on that and now we are in the Photos app settings of iPhone. Now here we have to scroll and here you will see the option for showing hidden album, which is currently toggled off. So we will have to toggle it on, and once we toggle it on, if we go back here under Photos inside the Utilities, you will see the hidden album. So that's how you can enable hidden album on your iPhone or iPad and see the hidden photos after the verification of Face ID, if the Face ID option is enabled as well. So this is how you can find hidden album on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, you can also tap on this video to learn various Photos apps tips tricks. Thanks for watching.